Okay, good afternoon everyone. Assalamualaikum Wr Wb. Today we are going to study about grammar. Last week do you remember that last week we studied about auxiliary verb? Yes. And today it still has some relationship with verb. Look, verb plus ing. Today it is about gerund. What is gerund? Now let's have a look here. Verb plus ing, and it tends to be noun. It functions as noun. For example, I have written here, I love reading, but now I have a question. What is different? I am reading books and I love reading. The same thing, they use reading, but look here. I love reading. I am reading books. What is different? Anyone can tell me? What is different between using the use of reading here and the second word, the second line, the I am reading books? What is different? Look at the pattern, verb plus ing. Which one is verb? This is verb plus ing. Okay. However, if you look at this sentence, you will see I am. In the previous meeting, we have auxiliary verb. We have this as an auxiliary, so it is not as gerund. And here we have gerund. I love reading. Now, there are three terms you need to look at. This line, and this one. This part, and this part. What is different between? Can I say I enjoy reading books, or I enjoy to read book, or I really enjoy? I want to reading book, or I want to read book. Which one do you think it comes to for this column, and this column? What is different? Any one of you? Okay. For the first column, I would like to say this is the first one. I would like to say the second one. The first part, when we spend this word, when we use this word, I enjoy playing football, it must be verb ing. Before that, it comes this word and then must verb ing. I finish reading my book. I stop smoking. Let's say I keep going. I keep writing my email. But here, for the second one, want, need, hope, expect, plan, it must come, I want to read my book. I hope to see you again. I agree to meet you. But then another column, can you see that? Start, continue, begin, like, and love. You may come here with ing, verb ing, or you may come, I start to read my email, or I start reading my email. Free to choose. Okay. For the first one, remember verb ing, and at the second column, it comes to 1 and 2. That's what we call one. And the third one, you might say, I like eating banana. I like to eat banana. Free. I love buying some fast food. I love to buy some fast food. Up to you. We can use both by using to or using verb ing as gerund here. Okay, any questions? All right, please, now I want you to supply, based on what we learn here, can you supply for the correct verb that you can choose here? Okay, class. Now, I want you to choose this one. He wants to blah blah blah. He wants to study. He wants what we need to supply in the first line, and then the second one. She regrets blah 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 me. Now the third one. I stop. Maybe choose. Can we supply here verb ing? Can you supply here? I stopped to learn English, or I stopped learning English. Feel free. I stop, for example, I stop running, or I stop to run. Feel free. And then the fourth one, we love blah 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 English. What do we need to supply here? The first column, the second column, or the third column? So, based on what we have learned, verb ing, and then as I told you, we have first column that must be verb ing, and then the second one that must be to. I hope to see you. And the third one, you might choose, you want to start by, you want to supply here by ing, or ing form, or to form. So feel free. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you need to supply, you need to choose from the first column, the second column, or the third column in order to supply in these 4 questions. All right? Any questions so far? Is it clear? No question? All right. See you then next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.